Hi, welcome back to my channel and thank you for coming to watch this video. The ticking that you hear is my Disneyland Haunted Mansion clock. I have my front door open and the wind is starting to pick up, so you may hear that in this video. You are looking at the Happy Planner Disney collaboration. This sticker book is only available at Walmart, exclusive to Walmart. You can't order it online, so you have to go to the store to buy it if you can find it. My local Walmart did not have it, and since we were looking for something else at Walmart, we went to another store. I wasn't able to find the planner, but I did find this sticker book. I got it for, I think it was $17.99. There are 607 pieces in the sticker book, and I thought I would do a quick flip through of the sticker book in case you decide that you would like to buy one too and wanted to see the stickers that are in it. Like the other sticker book that I did flip through, I think it was last week, it has this band to keep it shut. This is what the back looks like. And that's Bruce playing with his toy. So here we go. First page. These are kind of cute. So this is Snow White. These don't look to be unclear. Cinderella. I hope the noise with Bruce playing with this toy doesn't bother you too much. This could be on a clear background. Tiana, I love her. Bruce, stop. I think these are also clear. Ariel. Looks like it has a little bit of gold foiling. This is probably clear background too. The sheet feels a little thicker. I think this is Aurora. I think these would fit nicely in the Hobonichi Cousin or Techo as decoration, as well as the Happy Planner. Gold foiling, clear background. This is pretty. And I think we're getting towards the end. And that is the end. So if you like Disney princesses, go to Walmart and try to find the sticker book. Like I said, they also have a planner. It's princess themed. I think the one that's released right now has Cinderella, Tiana, and Snow White on the cover. Again, I couldn't find it. And you can't order it online at Walmart. And I heard that they are releasing more planners and I think sticker books sometime next month, which is November. And I may or may not look for those sticker books. But thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. And I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.